Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in today's video, we are going to see what do you mean by filter and how they classified. What are the advantage and disadvantage provided by the filter. So let's begin with the topic. So filters are basically a frequency selective circuit. The function of filter is to allow only a particular band of frequency and blocks and reject or attenuate other band of frequency. So basically the filters are classified into three different types, that is analog or digital filter, passive or active filter, audio and radio filters. Now in classification and from advantage and disadvantage point of view, we are going to concentrate on active and passive filter. So let's understand what do you mean by active and passive filter, what are the advantages provided by them and what are the disadvantages provided by them and which one is suitable for what application. So active and passive filter are basically considered as two types of analog filter. So let's understand what do you mean by passive filters. So passive filter uses only passive component. That means the resistor, capacitor, inductor. These components are called as passive component. So the filter made up of these components are called as passive filter. Passive filter do not uses any active component. That means they do not uses transistor, MOSFET, op-amp. They uses only resistor, inductor and capacitor. Because of this, the frequency response of passive filter is not sharp and they have low frequency of operation. Whereas active filter uses active component. That means they uses transistor, MOSFET, op-amp as a important or major element along with the passive component. Because of this, the frequency response provided by active filter is more sharp and they provide high range of frequency as compared to passive filters. Now, if we compare, then we will come to know that the active filters having more advantage or having more merits as compared to passive filters. So let's understand how active filters is better than passive filter. There are certain advantages provided by active filters over passive filter. The first advantage is flexibility in gain and frequency adjustment. As active filter uses op-amp, because here we are talking about linear integrated circuit, so we are considering op-amp as a major element. So whatever filters we are going to build or whatever filters we are going to design are by using op-amp. So in case of active filter, as op-amp is used and gain of op-amp can be easily adjustable. So because of this, the flexibility in gain can be provided in case of active filters. Also, in case of passive filter, the gain is get attenuated in the pass band, which is not possible in case of active filter as we are using op-amp as a major element. Also, it is very much easy to tune the active filters as compared to passive filter. Therefore, in case of active filter, frequency adjustment is easily possible as compared to passive filter. The second advantage that is provided by active filter is no loading problem. As we know, op-amp having high input resistance and low output resistance, because of which there is no loading problem arise at the input and output stage, which is not possible in case of passive filter. The next type of advantage provided by active filter is low cost. The cheaper options of op-amp are available in the market. Therefore, the cost of circuit is get reduced by using op-amp. Also, in case of active filter, we are not using inductors. So because of this also, the cost of the circuit is get reduced. Therefore, the active filters are more economical as compared to passive filters. Because in case of passive filter, we are going to use inductor, which will increase the size, complexity as well as cost of the circuit. The next advantage provided by active filter is no insertion loss. In case of active filters, there is no insertion loss, whereas in case of passive filter, the signal may get attenuated in passband also. Therefore, the output of the circuit will not be as per user requirement. So in case of active filter, as there is no insertion loss, the user get required output as per his specification. The next advantage provided by active filter is passband gain. The passband gain can be easily adjustable due to the use of op-amp. As we know, the gain of the op-amp can be easily adjusted by using various values of resistors in the op-amp circuit. So gain of the op-amp can be adjusted along with the frequency adjustment, which is not possible in case of passive filter, because passive filter uses only resistor, inductor and capacitor, which are passive component. The next advantage provided by active filter is interstage isolation and control of impedance. These two characteristics are provided by active filter, which is not possible to provided by passive filter. The next advantage is small component size. As op-amp is used and gain bandwidth product of op-amp is having some finite value, therefore the size of component is get reduced in case of active filters, which is not possible in case of passive filters, because the size of inductor may get increased depending upon the frequency. So that will increase the size, that will increase the component size, circuit complexity and size of circuit. So if we are using active filters rather than using passive filter, the size of component is get reduced. Next advantage provided by active filter is use of inductor can be avoided. As active filter are implemented by using active component, therefore there is no need to use inductor every time in the circuit, which will reduces the circuit complexity, circuit cost and make the circuit more simple and economical, which is not possible in case of passive filter. So these are the some advantages or merits provided by active filters over passive filter, but there are some disadvantages or demerits that can be also provided by active filter. So let's understand the disadvantages or demerits of active filters. The first disadvantage of active filter is it requires DC power supply. As we are using op-amp or if we are using transistor MOSFET, then we require a certain amount of power to turn on the devices. In case of op-amp, we require dual power supply, that is plus minus 15 volt if we are using op-amp 741C. Then this requirement of power supply is not needed in case of passive filter. So requirement of DC power supply is considered as one of the disadvantage of active filter. The second disadvantage of active filter is limited in their frequency range. As we know, op-amp having finite gain bandwidth product. Therefore, the frequency response provided by the active filter having certain range of frequency. That means the active filter can be used only for the frequency range, which are ranges from low to moderate. Above that, we cannot use active filters in order to get the proper output, whereas we can use passive filters to provide higher frequency response. The next disadvantage provided by active filter is cannot handle large amount of power. As we are using active component, therefore power dissipation is considered as one of the important factor in case of application. So active component or active filters cannot be used to handle large amount of power, whereas passive filters do not have such problems. So based on advantages and disadvantages provided by active filters, we will come to know that the active filters are used in the application where low to moderate frequency range is required and less amount of power wastage or less amount of power dissipation is required. So active filters are basically used in the application like communication, they are used in biomedical equipment, they are used in the radar equipment and many electronic circuits. So this is what about the classification and the introduction of filter, which inform us about what is filter and how the active filters are more advantageous as compared to passive filter. So I hope you understand this topic. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda, subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.